Local news for Friday the 21st of June. The Masterton District Council this year gave 34 organisations a total of $189,500 through its Community Wellbeing Fund. 50 applications for funding were received this year. Applications for the Community Events Fund are currently open. The fund supports events that appeal to residents, contribute to the economic development of the district, promote Masterton as a positive visitor destination and create a positive vision of the town. A busy month for property sales in Wairarapa in May, with 64 sold in Masterton, 28 in southern Wairarapa and 45 in Carterton. The majority of those were sections in Armstrong Ave. And nominations are open for the 2019 Wairarapa Awards, the opportunity to highlight some incredible organisations and showcase what this region has to offer. This year there are 5 categories, including Innovation, Vibrant, Emerging, Team and Service. And in sport and Premier Rugby, East Coast will host Marist tomorrow. Greytown play Carterton, with the game of the round likely to be at Gladstone as they take on Martinborough, with all Prem games kicking off at 2:35.